as the police in the city have arrested an 18-year-old woman from Uttarakhand in connection with the Bulibai app case. The procedure is underway for her transit remand in Uttarakhand. In fact, yesterday, the 21-year-old co-accused Vishal was sent to Mumbai police custody till January 10th.
Both the accused are known to each other and are also friends on social media. The Bulibai controversy surfaced as several Muslim women found themselves on auction on an app, and the app hosted by the GitHub platform had used their photographs. Many of them were doctored. Let me go across to our correspondent Sandeep. Sandeep, good morning. It seems like that Mumbai police is just racing way ahead as compared to Delhi police when it comes to probe in this entire matter. 2 arrests made already, and both of them pretty young. Tell us what exactly are the details that are emerging at this point in time?
See, definitely after the case was registered with Mumbai police, PKC Cyber Cell, the Mumbai Cyber Cell, went ahead and investigated and found a guy from Bengaluru, and he was detained the day before, and then he was arrested by PKC police Cyber Cell, and then he was produced in the courthouse, and later he was sent to police custody till 10th of January. Apart from that, Mumbai police had also detained a woman, an 18-year-old girl, in fact, who is being told the mastermind of all this case. So, process of transit is still underway, and there are more chances that he will be arrested, and she will above the court in regards of the crime that they have done. But at this point of time, there is
Sandeep,
no
thank
major.
you. Yes, please go ahead. Right, Sandeep, thank you so much for bringing us up to speed with all those details from Mumbai. Let's now shift focus and see what is happening in the Delhi side, as the Delhi police in the Bulibai case have failed to achieve any breakthrough in the past 4 days. The case has now been formally transferred to Delhi Police's special cyber cell, which will now be following up this information that was sought by the cops from GitHub and also Twitter. The Delhi police will also look into the probe carried so far by the Mumbai police. So no breakthrough so far as the Delhi police is concerned. We are, remember, talking about the alleged auction of Muslim women on this platform, which is Bulibai. The platform was hosted by GitHub. GitHub was asked for their statement. They in fact feigned ignorance, and they said that they are not, any way supporting any kind of hatred, and their provisions do not support such a thing. And then they got the Bulibai app down from their platform. So far, Mumbai police has gone ahead, arrested an 18-year-old from Uttarakhand and a 21-year-old from Bengaluru. And we have to wait and watch what the Delhi police would go ahead and do. My colleague Alok now joins me live on this broadcast. Alok, so far no breakthrough. Now the case is with the cyber cell. What really happens next?
See, in these cases, the police has to wait to get the ID and the IP address of the person, because the Delhi police want to know the maker of these 2 apps, because first these 2 apps were made, that Bulibai and Suli Deals, and then it was further spread and further put on the social media with different channels. So the Delhi police is trying to go and identify those persons who spread this hatred on the social media, and especially the maker of these 2 apps. And that is why they have to depend on the GitHub. GitHub is the agency that is the platform through which these 2 apps were made. And remember earlier in the month of July last year, there was some technical problem happened, because the Delhi police had to write to the company, and company told the Delhi police that you have to come through legal process. Then they have to clarify the file from the ministry, that the Home Ministry. Now they are doing it, and now they have got the nod from the ministry, so they have already on their process. And the police is saying that they are trying to identify those who are maker of these two apps. But mostly they have to depend on the reply which they will get very soon from the GitHub. Back to you.
Right, Alok, thank you so much for getting us all those details from the national capital. In fact, the centre has released a set of manuals to curb cybercrime incidents, and the manuals focus on prevention of cybercrime and to inculcate cyber hygiene across rural areas, in industrial bodies and among general public also. The manuals are a part of focused awareness campaign for prevention of cybercrimes.